Ever wondered why your internet slows to a crawl when you use a super long cable? Well, it's not magic, it's physics. Here's the truth. When a cable is longer than the recommended spec, the signal inside it starts to lose strength. We call this signal loss or attenuation. And the longer the cable, the more the signal fades before it reaches the other end. Now what does that mean for you? Slow speeds, dropped packets, random disconnects, basically, a lot of hair-pulling frustration. Think of it like shouting across a football field. By the time your voice reaches the other side, it's weak, distorted, and probably misunderstood. Same thing happens with your data in a cable that's just too long. So here's the bottom line, stick to the standard lengths. For Ethernet, that's usually 100 meters max. Anything longer? You'll need repeaters or switches to boost the signal. If you've ever blamed your ISP when it was actually your cable, and hit subscribe.